This is day 1 of my application of the serum. I have a little bit of bumpiness on my hairline and a few dark spots. You can see here the bumps near my hairline. Yeah, this is day 1 and I'm applying the serum and it glides on pretty well, get absorbed in the skin, and I'm happy. This is day 7. The dark spots are pretty much the same, but the texture that I have on my cheek and on the hairline has reduced a lot. You can see only one is prominent, the other two have settled down. And this is day 15 and all of the texture near my hairline has settled down. Hello to all the wonderful humans. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well and welcome. I am Abuli and I make science-based skincare and hair care videos. If you are interested in that space, then please consider subscribing to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review video of the Deconstruct Skincare Serum. It is the Breakout Control Serum. So let's begin. So this video is in collaboration with Deconstruct Skincare. I have been on YouTube for 9 months and many brands have reached out to me, but this is the first time that a brand actually reached out to me that actually believes in science of skincare, and that is why I decided that I wanted to work with this brand. And so they sent me this Breakout Control Serum and I have used this product for 20 plus days. I have documented the whole process. Let's discuss about the price and the packaging of the product. It comes in a cardboard packaging and in a bottle, glass bottle with a dropper. It's a very teeny tiny bottle. It costs $3.99 for 15 ml. You can also take a look at their combo offers. So you can get 30 ml worth of serum, and they have also slashed their prices from $4.99 to $3.99. It is a very neutral, colorless, odorless liquid, which I really like because I like my skincare products to be very neutral so that, you know, it feels like a treatment. Yeah. Okay, so let's talk about the texture of the product. This is their Breakout Control Serum, the white and pink packaging. And there you go. You see, it's pretty viscous. It doesn't go brrr down. So it has a little bit of thickness, which means that it will hydrate your skin quite properly. It gets absorbed in your skin pretty quickly. And it also leaves a nice hydrating glow. Okay, let's go and see what Deconstruct Skincare claims with this product. With this product, they claim that it reduces acne breakouts and helps fade dark spots. On their website, they have also mentioned that it inhibits sebum production and it also hydrates your skin, and it is suitable for all skin types. Okay, so we are going to go and see each and every claim, if it actually matches with what my experience was and if it matches with the ingredient list. Okay, so to answer if the claims actually are true, let's see the first active of the ingredient list, and that is the potassium azelaicyl diglycinate. Now this is an ingredient which has a lot of studies done on it and there have been a lot of good results. I will link the studies in the description if you're interested in reading them. So according to the studies, we can say for sure that it is a derivative of azelaic acid, which we all know and many of us love too. Now this ingredient actually works on redness, inflammation, and in a study it is actually proven that this ingredient works on rosacea. Okay, so if you suffer from a lot of inflammation because of acne or irritation, you can definitely use this ingredient. This ingredient also has glycine in it, and glycine is an amino acid. We all know amino acids are like building blocks of your skin. They help to quickly heal your skin. They help to keep your skin healthy. So I'd say it definitely helps to reduce acne breakouts, and it also helps to reduce dark spots. It also helps to reduce inflammation. And what was the last claim? It is suitable for all skin types. Now it is suitable for all skin types, but I would always recommend to do a patch test first. You don't know which ingredient will suit your skin and which ingredient will not suit your skin. So always patch test. If you have dry normal skin types, then I would recommend using a really good moisturizer after this serum, because this is a hydrating serum. It will not moisturize your skin, okay? If you have oily combination skin types, yes, do moisturize after this, but you can use a light moisturizer. If you are sensitive, please highly recommend to patch test first, and after patch testing, if this product works for you, I'm so happy for you. And also use like a hypoallergenic moisturizer after this serum, so that you know there is no way that you can irritate your skin. This product also has Lactococcus ferment lysate, which is a probiotic, and you know recently I was reading about probiotics and skin barrier, and probiotics actually help with the good beneficial bacteria that are there on your skin, that help to, you know, keep the skin barrier intact. And adding this probiotic will actually strengthen your skin. So I'm really happy that, you know, they have included probiotics, and you know India is getting probiotics in their skincare routine, and it will definitely help. So if you are a person who is getting a lot of breakouts and whose skin barrier is also compromised, then definitely look into this product, because it will work to repair the skin barrier. It also has glycine, so it will also help to heal faster, and the azelaic acid derivative will also work on the inflammation and acne breakouts. So I am happy with this product. I have these bumps right here. I get a lot of hairline bumps because I have greasy scalp, and if I move my finger, I cannot feel the bumps anymore. It just settles your breakouts so quickly. Okay, let's talk about who can use it. Only people who are more than 18, boys, girls alike, and people who are suffering from acne, or who have acne prone skin, who want this as maintenance. Don't use it every day. Then people whose barrier is compromised, you definitely can include this in your skincare routine. Also, I used it in the morning every day, so morning or night, anything is fine. If you use it in the morning, don't forget your sunscreen. Use this after you clean your face properly. So wash your face, pat your face dry, use the serum, wait for 2 to 3 minutes, let the serum get absorbed in your skin, and then you can add your moisturizer or sunscreen, whatever you want according to your skin type. Okay, do not use this on damp skin. So we are going to go and see the ingredients of this product. The base of the serum is water, so you don't have to be worried about being allergic to aloe. The active is potassium azelaicyl diglycinate. We have already discussed about this active, and this one works on PIE, that is post-inflammation erythema, hyperpigmentation, on acne breakouts, and the diglycinate part, which is the amino acid part, works on building your skin cells. Other actives seen in this serum are green tea leaf extract, which is an antioxidant in nature, then chamomile flower extract, which is anti-inflammatory and soothing in nature. Then we have neem extract, which is antimicrobial, which works against the bacteria that causes acne. Then we have sodium gluconate, which acts to reduce free radicals on the skin, so acts like an antioxidant only. Then we have Lactococcus ferment lysate. We have also discussed about this. This is the probiotic in the serum, which actually helps to keep your microbiome and your skin barrier intact. Then we have humectants. This serum has glycerin, xylitol glucoside, and hydroglucoside and xylitol. Apart from glycerin, the 3 ingredients here are great to put the moisture back into your skin. They also help in synthesis of ceramides. So these ingredients hydrate as well as strengthen your skin. Then we have viscosity controlling agents here, which control how much thick or liquidy you want your serum to be. Then we have delivery agents and preservatives right here. All of them are pretty common, but we have the sporolipid right here. Sporolipid actually acts on yeasts, again keeping them away from the product, and this product does not have any artificial fragrance. So you guys saw the ingredient list. You would see that the ingredient list is pretty balanced and it like covers all aspects of acne. Like it does cover exfoliation part, it covers the hyperpigmentation part, it covers inflammation, it covers skin barrier, it also covers healing. So I think that this is a product that will actually work for acne, and it did work for my texture right here, which is acne. And when you write a name like this, your ingredient list should back it up, and I think this one does back it up, so I'm really happy with it. And that's it for the video, guys. I hope you guys liked the video, and thank you Deconstruct Skincare for collaborating and for making such great products, because this really worked for me. And that's it. Until next time, bye.